Dave here, how are you? Today I'm going to show you something that TSO products sent over to me. This is called the Bench Stop Bundle. Now it is ideal for someone who's got a regular 96mm center perforated bench top. That's basically all this is. 96mm centers, perfectly 90 degrees to each other, and a whole slab of bench top done like that. My Stanton bench, identical, the same kind of thing. MFT3s, and there are so many products on the market that you can get that are this style. Anyway, the bundle comes in a nice box, and inside here, I'll take it out of the box. There it is. So it is a set of, I think this side here is around 8mm thick, and that's a perfect right angle. And on this side over here, they look to be about 3mm thick. Now these are to help you when you're, I'll throw that on the floor over there, if I'm wanting to plane or hold on to something to resist the force that I'm using with a hand plane. So first of all, let's put it in their TSO sustainer. One of the great things about their sustainers is, this is a Tanos sustainer, is it's not going to tip over when I open it, even when there's nothing in there. Now let me see, which way does it go? There's a small cutout at the back. This is, I think it's Kaizen foam. We drop it in. Great fit. How good is that? Also, it's like a briefcase these days. You can carry it from the side or from the top as well. But I'm not telling you anything. You probably know all that kind of stuff. It locks onto the old style and also the new style, like that way. Anyway, that's enough of all of that. Move that over to the side, but open it up. So we've got everything waiting for me to use. Now I've got a piece of plywood here. It's an old piece, it's a little bit woofy. Let's use the larger of the stops, and it's got these countersunk dogs. They're a double slot, which means these are a nice tight fit. They have an 8mm thread down the center, so you can lock them down from underneath if you can get under your bench. And let's have a look. I will pop it here, put one in there, and another one there, and another one here, like so. Now they've got also, these are straight sections. They've got 3 holes, so this is conforming to the European Convention for 32mm centers. 32 being 3 times 32 is 96, which is what this pattern is. The center one is half of 96, which I think is 48mm. All right, so I'm going to pop that one there and use the smaller dog from the other side there. So that should stay nice and still while I plane it. And if it goes a little bit further past, I can always come along up here a bit further with a couple more. There we go. Let's see how it goes planing. There we go. Now that makes it so easy. Now, planing a piece of timber or piece of wood, whatever you want to call it, that's around 18mm thick. It's kind of, everyone can do that, but what about if I get down to something at around about 4mm thick? This is where the other set comes into place. Pop these away. And the Kaizen foam in the box also is set down at the right depth. So there's hardly any chance of putting things away in the wrong spot. Are you someone who puts things away, or do you leave a mess everywhere? I like putting things away, even though around me at the moment it's a little bit of a debacle. All right, I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to use the small dogs in this one. And we'll put in a small profile, low profile. Where are we there? There's hardly any need. I won't put the other one in. I'll just let you know that they're available. Now this is a tiny little piece of end grain. We'll see how this plane goes. I'm only just above the surface. I'll bring it over close. There you go. Planes. You can almost see through it. It is that thin. It's cool. All right. Links in the video description down the bottom. If you want to get them, I reckon they're a great little set. Who else on the work site is going to have a set like these? You will be king. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.